So today I'm going to do what's called the shark's tooth, and pretty basic. I've already got 4 feet of neon orange and 4 feet of gold. I fused them together, and normally I would take the Paracord through this side of the bracelet up and through the front, but this time I want to take it down and through the bottom so it comes out on the back side of the buckle. And the right side, whatever you pick for this side, this is your more prominent color that's going to show up on the bracelet. Now to start this off, it's almost like the basic cobra. You're going to form a loop on the left right here. You're going to go over the first middle one and behind the second one. So it's going to look just like that. Now for the second step, the orange is going to cross all of it. So you're going to take the orange right to the middle, down through the middle, and then up through the loop that you made on the left side. Now each time you do this, they're going to keep the same rule. The same rule is going to apply for both of them as you go. Now at this point, when you're tightening this up at the top, this is when you would want to double check your measurement, because you have that's your knot, and you can't really adjust it after this step. So you're always going to start with your non-prominent color. You're going to go over the top, below the second one, and the orange is going to cross both of them, go through the middle, and then up through the loop. And you want to pull this nice and tight so that you get a good looking pattern as you go. So over the first one, behind the second one, over both of them, down through the middle, and up through. And here I'll lay this out so you can kind of see, just like that. Pull it nice and tight. And I'll just do one more, maybe a couple more, just so you can see what I'm doing here. The non-prominent one's always going to be your first move. When you cross the prominent color through the middle, and then up through this loop here. Pull it tight. Just like that. And I'll do one more, and then I'll show you how to finish this up. Once you get the hang of it, you can do these pretty fast. This one I'd say maybe a 10-minute bracelet. Maybe I'll do them a little quicker once you get the hang of it. But at this point, you can start to see what this starts to look like. You can kind of see the pattern going. Alright, I'm going to finish this up, and I'll come back and show you how to finish the bracelet. I'm getting down here to the bottom, and it's getting a little bit harder. I'm having to thread this through the middle here. Eventually at the very end, I'm going to have to use the needle nose pliers to get it finished. Looking pretty cool. I think this is going to be one of my favorite bracelets I've done so far. I created one about a week ago. Looks kind of similar to this. I don't know if I got it right here or not. think I'm going to name that one Predator because it reminds me of the Predator's teeth in the movie. Let's see if I've got it right here. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so this is the one I came up with last week. Just kind of messing around. Doesn't have a name, but they look similar. I really like both of these. I think I'm going to call this one Predator. This one's called Shark's Tooth. And it looks like I'm right down to the end here, so I think I might be able to go down one more time. So I'm going to go up through here, just so I can pull this through. And then the same thing with the orange. These pliers are great if you don't have any fids. Great pair of pliers like this work just the same. Actually, I don't know if I can get another one out of this. You're really close. I'm going to try though. I think I can get it. I'm going to have to trim this up a little bit though. Got a little bit of overhang here and it's going to make it kind of hard to get down through there. That one. Alright, so I need to go this way, pull it through. Same thing with the orange. Go through there, and up through that one. Yep, that'll work. That's going to be my last one, I think. Really don't think I can get another one out of this, so I'm going to go ahead and cut these and burn the ends, and I'll have another bracelet. There we go. There, that'll cover right up. You won't even notice that one. So there you have it. That's another bracelet done. Hope you enjoy the videos. Now, if you want it to look like this is the same thing reversed. Just make sure that the your prominent color is on the right. Otherwise, it'll look just like that. A little bit of difference, not a whole lot, but it's basically the same thing. There you have it. That's the Shark's Tooth. And thanks again for watching, and please subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thank you.